I'm Sean Schwagler. I'm from Washington State originally. My dad was an aircraft mechanic in the Navy, so he was always a hands-on kind of guy. And just as a kid, I always started young wanting to play with cars and do things, and I bought my first car when I was 15, so I was working on it before I could even drive legally. I met Seth in Phoenix at Scottsdale Barrett-Jackson. We kind of got to know each other a little bit, and 1 year later, Seth offered me the position to come out here and manage Gateway Bronco. Coming from the background that I have with the collision and the production side of it, and intermixing that with the custom car building, I mean, I was used to something taking 18 to 24 months to build, and when I started talking to Seth, and this is literally 6 months or less to build one of these Broncos, it was intriguing. Everybody in the industry thinks that this is just not right to be able to build cars this fast. But this is the dream of Seth and the dream of all of us here at Gateway Bronco, is to be able to turn these trucks out like an assembly line. You know, we got clients that come in, they order a vehicle just like you would at any Ford, Dodge, or Chevrolet dealership, and we roll it out the door. It's truly amazing to see these things completed the way we are doing them. And we offer a warranty, and that's something I have never seen ever offered in this industry. If there's an issue with the vehicle, if there's any questions on the vehicle, I have the client reach out to me. Or if there's a major issue with it, then I do the research for a reputable shop in their area. I deal directly with either the manager or the mechanic, and once it's all taken care of and it's reassured that the issue has been fixed, we pay them and we get the vehicle back to the client, just trying to make it as easy as possible for them. I see big things here, I really do. I think the popularity of what we're doing is going to get even bigger. What Seth has done and what we're planning on doing with Gateway Bronco is just going to be phenomenal.